So then came our very first trip with this caravan, and that was Klein Tafelberg on the west coast of South Africa. So I hooked up the caravan and we decided to head out for a weekend. But the closer you get to that area, you go onto gravel roads which is absolutely destroyed. So the caravan was bouncing behind me, and I thought this thing is going to be completely torn apart by the time we arrive at the gate of Klein Tafelberg. But then another challenge showed itself. On the way in from the gate to the campsite of Klein Tafelberg, you encounter extremely thick sand. But the caravan made it. We could park it. I opened up the door, I put the feet out, and we were able to camp for the entire weekend absolutely without any problems. So that was the moment and the weekend that I've realized I might be onto something here.